Before we go enter today's topic inside, no, I beg you, make you subscribe, then you like. Yo, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, Charlie. Well, my boys, today, my boys, they can't talk about how to make her fall more in love with you. Yeah? Pa! I do know say women then they like surprises, yeah? One thing it is sweet every woman be say you go surprise them. So if you want to make a woman fall in love with you, already she is in love with you already, but you want the love to be more and more, you for always surprise her. You for never be boring. You for always give her when she least expects. When she no knows if say something they come. That be when you forgive her. You for be full of surprises. You the bab. That be one of the few things, the petty things, the small things where it is sweet woman. Every woman, if they do this thing, or why she no go the way I feel they tell most of you man guys, but you guys know they hear. If you don't want make woman love you, master your craft, invest in yourself. Somebody they won't make somebody love them, so you take your money or they give that person. The person go chop the money or then you know they look well, you know they dress well. Your attire self know they look well. You think say the woman will love you? No. Always invest in yourself. If you want her to love you more, if you want her to fall more in love with you, invest in yourself more. Cut your head good. Put on good clothes. Look good. You get it? Invest in yourself. The more you look good, the more you look classier, the more she will fall in love with you. You see, something the way I feel they tell most of you man guys, but you guys know they hear. If you don't want make woman love you, master your craft. Invest in yourself. Somebody they won't make somebody love them, so you take your money or they give that person. The person go chop the money or then you know they look well. You know they dress well. Your attire self know they look well. You think say the woman will love you? No. Always invest in yourself. If you want her to love you more, if you want her to fall more in love with you, invest in yourself. You must also be very good in bed. I know the here fucking. I heard the year of you see you for be very good in the bedroom. That one to be another topic on its own. You for always make her climax fix. Have you know say women the papa, but women it take time. That one to be another topic on its own. You see so if you want make she love you more and more, you for always be good in the bedroom. You for always be excited, fun to be with. Wow, in the bedroom. No darling. Born an Aghanese.